Far Cry is a franchise of first-person shooter games, all of which have been published by Ubisoft. The first game, Far Cry, was developed by Crytek to premiere their CryEngine software and released in March 2004. Subsequently, Ubisoft obtained the rights to the franchise, and the bulk of the development is handled by Ubisoft Montreal with assistance from other Ubisoft satellite studios. The following games in the series have used a Ubisoft-modified version of the CryEngine, the Dunia Engine, allowing for open-world gameplay. There have been 5 main games in the series, along with 3 standalone expansions. The first game, initially developed for Microsoft Windows, also saw a number of ports to video game consoles. The Far Cry games, due to the history of their development, do not have any significant shared narrative elements, but instead share a theme of placing the player in a wilderness environment where they must help fight against one or more despots that control the region, as well as surviving against wild animals that roam the open spaces. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.